sorry guys, I know I'm always in my pajamas, but when I'm home, I'm extra comfortable. When I get off of work, I'm in my pajamas. So I'm gonna apologize in advance. Most of my videos are done at home and I'm always comfortable in my pajamas. Just a disclaimer. Right now I'm just trying to make sure the nozzle up top is turned to the right setting, and I'm just also going to make sure it's locked in place. Next I'm going to make sure I have the right selection up front, and then I will just continue to wait for the machine to warm up. The timer should be at 35. I think that's meat or stew. So yeah, now we wait for it to cook. The countdown begins. And now right now it's in warm mode. And now we're gonna see right now what the chicken looks like. Again, this is my first time using my Instapot. And there it is. I don't know why those two look extra white, but I did put some seasoning on it. The chicken was very good. It was very soft, fall off the bone type of meat. But I'll definitely use my Instapot again, and I would definitely try other meats in this and other different types of chicken as well.